going on, everyone? In today's video, we're going to replace the cabin air filter in this 2021 Toyota Highlander Hybrid model. Okay, so the cabin air filter is located behind this glove box, and what we're going to do is remove the glove box door. First thing we're going to do is disconnect the damper that's on the side here. All we got to do is pull it like this. Now there's these stoppers right here that we're going to have to push in on both sides of the glove box, like that. And then once we get this around here like that, you can lower the glove box and it'll actually come off the hinges like this. Okay. And right up here is where the filter is located. We'll take this door off and we're gonna squeeze these clips right here on the sides, pull towards us. The other side here is slotted where these little tabs go inside these slots. Alright, now we're gonna pull the filter out. And this one's actually not so bad. This is actually a pretty good one. This is the one that has the charcoal in it, but we're gonna replace it with what the customer brought me, which is one of these. So I'm gonna end up reusing the holder, okay, with this thing. This thing is in. Now if we look with the filter, we got all kinds of indications for up, and airflow up. Alright. So here, that. Drop it down in here. Alright, so once you got the filter in there, slide it right back up in here. Push it all the way in. I do recommend these ones with charcoal. These actually work a lot better as far as odor control goes. I'll have a link down in the description box for some that have the odor control. But I'm just gonna do this. Do what I'm told. Put that back in here. Glove box door. Stick it back on the hinges. They don't pop or anything like that. They just kind of sits on here. And we'll close the glove box, and it'll go right back where it needs to go. And then you get the damper, hook it up, and you're good to go. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate you dropping me a like, leave me a comment. See you guys in another video.